Traditions are not always wrong, but they must always be tested. The danger comes when human traditions are elevated to the same level as Scripture. And in vain they worship me, teaching as doctrines the commandments of men. For forsaking the commandment of Yahweh, you hold the tradition of men. That is the key issue. When tradition begins to replace or override what Yahweh actually commanded. Traditions may help people remember things or build community, but they must never carry the same authority as the Word. The safest path is simple. Do Bible things in Bible ways. Test every practice against Scripture. Don't just follow the crowd or accept something because it has been done for generations. In the end, our standard is not tradition, culture, or majority opinion. Our standard is the word of Yahweh and walking in His instructions. May Yahweh bless you.